So the renovation is done, the noise is gone, the dust has settled. And now you're finally ready to enjoy your upgraded home. But before you sit back and relax, there's one last step. And it's a big one. Post-renovation cleanup. Renovations leave behind more than just a new look. They leave dust in the air, debris in the corners, and residue on every surface. That's why post-renovation care isn't just about tidying up. It's about protecting your investment, your health, and your peace of mind. Let's walk through what needs to happen next, room by room. First, get prepared. Gather your gear, dust masks, gloves, and strong but safe cleaning solutions. This isn't your usual tidy up. This is deep cleaning at a construction level. Ventilation is your first ally. Open the windows wide. Use fans. Let fresh air sweep through and carry that fine renovation dust right out the door. This simple step makes a big difference in your home's air quality. Next, deal with the debris. Sort out what stays and what goes. Hazardous materials, like leftover paint or solvents, need proper disposal. Follow local guidelines or arrange a pickup. Everything else? Recycle what you can. Clear space clears the mind. Now it's time for the deep clean. In the kitchen, start with the appliances. Clean them inside and out. Then wipe down every surface, countertops, backsplashes, and cabinet doors. Don't forget the cabinet handles and drawer interiors. Even the sink deserves attention. Polish the faucet, scrub the drain. And if you have tiled surfaces, check the grout. A quick reseal now can prevent long-term wear. In the bathroom, tackle the fixtures. Scrub the toilet, sink, tub, and shower until they shine. Pay attention to faucets, mirrors, and shower heads where dust loves to hide. Wipe down walls, clean the floors, and make sure any newly installed hardware is properly dusted and safe to use. Got carpet? Start with a thorough vacuum, slowly and repeatedly. Treat any stubborn stains with the right solution, and if the dust is deep set, bring in a professional steam cleaner. Let the carpet dry fully before putting furniture back in place. Hardwood or tile. Sweep first to pick up loose debris, then gently clean the surface with the right product. Avoid excess moisture on wood and harsh chemicals on tile. These flaws are part of your investment. Treat them with care. Now, don't forget about something many people miss: your air filters. Renovation dust doesn't just settle on surfaces, it floats through your home's HVAC system. Replace your filters as soon as possible. If your system allows, consider running a high-efficiency purifier for a few days to really clear the air. Let's head outside. Your home's exterior needs love too. Wash windows and doors. Sweep patios and walkways. Wipe down light fixtures, door handles, and window sills. Construction dust doesn't respect boundaries. It spreads. A good exterior clean is the final polish your renovation deserves. Finally, establish a post-renovation maintenance routine. Now that everything is clean, keep it that way. Set reminders to check filters, inspect grout lines, vacuum often, and wipe surfaces regularly. Little habits now prevent big problems later. So yes, the renovation might be done, but the final transformation happens when the dust is gone, the air is fresh, and your home truly feels like yours again. Post-renovation care isn't just the last step. It's what brings everything together. Breathe deep, look around. You did it. Now, it's time to enjoy your beautifully refreshed space.